This video is going to discuss the SEAL catalog. The SEAL catalog works through a protocol called C39.50, which facilitates the searching and retrieving of information. The SEAL catalog searches over 400 individual libraries across the southeastern region. It serves two distinct purposes. It acts both as a general regional catalog for the area, similar to WorldCat, and also the interlibrary loan catalog specifically for SEAL. These categories help differentiate between the different functions of the catalog. The default is set to all lenders, which indicates you only want to search libraries that are currently participating in the ILL side of SEAL. However, you can also narrow down lenders by type of library. If you wanted to broaden your search to all libraries in the region, regardless of whether they participate in interlibrary loan, you can change this to all. In the search bar, you can use a variety of elements including title, author, ISBN, and keywords. You can do both simple queries and then more complex ones using a variety of Boolean operators. This video is going to focus specifically on simple keyword searches and using the advanced search tool. I'm going to do a few examples to demonstrate how searching works. If the book you need has a very unique title, you can often find a record by doing a full title search, including subtitles. ISBN is also a really quick way to find a specific title, especially if you happen to know what edition of an item you need. I'm going to demonstrate a search for the book Drive, which is our favorite test book at Southeastern, using a full title search. When you perform a keyword search, the catalog performs a live search of each library's catalog. The catalog then compiles all of the matching records onto one result, separating them out by format. The icon gives you a quick glimpse at which libraries own a particular item. You might see the same item separated into different results. This just means the catalog couldn't overlay them due to differences in the record. This search was pretty effective. Our desired book came up as the first result. However, sometimes simple keywords don't work quite as well. I'm going to demonstrate this by doing a test search for the book Autumn by Allie Smith. This search is yielding way too many results because the catalog is searching the word autumn within book titles as well as in item summaries and subject headings. In a case like this where we need some more specificity, we could head to advanced search to create a really specific search. You can search using multiple terms at once, including keywords, title, author, subject, and ISBN. I'm going to search using the publication date as a keyword, as well as the complete title and author. As I type, the query appears at the bottom of the page. This is helpful because you can see exactly what the system is searching for. You can enter complex search strings like these without coming to advanced search, but I sometimes find it easier to get the formatting right by coming directly here. This search was really effective. All of my search results are the correct item, separated into different formats as indicated by these icons. Now I'd like to touch on how you can navigate the search results page. At the top of the page, there are options for Help, Advanced Search, and Search History. Clicking Help will bring you to a page that includes some additional information on searching and constructing search queries. Clicking on your search history will list all of the previous search strings that you've tried. If you want to try one of these again, simply click on it. There are options to sort the materials you see by date, relevance, and title, and to change the amount of results you get on a single page. On the left-hand side, we have what are known as facets. Facets will help you narrow down search results by selecting a particular item type or source. The facets we have in the SEAL search are format, source, subject, and author. If you want to narrow down by a specific facet, you simply click on it and it'll change your results. If you ever want to undo a facet and go back to your previous search, you can click on this highlighted all and it'll revert back. As indicated previously, once you have search results, you can also hover your mouse over the icon and it will display a list of libraries that have a specific item. If you click on the title, you'll be able to see bibliographic information on the book as well as a list of libraries that report owning the item. SEAL brings in the availability status of an item as well as call number and location information when possible. The information that is brought in varies from catalog to catalog, and it depends on the specific catalog that a library or a library system is using. If you click on a specific library name, you'll be able to view the item directly within their home catalog. In some instances, you will also be able to view the MARC record of an item specifically on this page. The request item here allows you to initiate the process of creating an interlibrary loan request, which is covered in more detail in our Placing ILL Requests video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the SEAL catalog, don't hesitate to contact Southeastern staff.